what's up? Welcome back to another video. Y'all feel me? What? Oh, today we got an 06 Dodge Charger Hemi with a brand new motor in it pretty much, and today we're gonna be showing y'all how to do the wheel bearings on one of these pieces of craps. I don't know what he did, but he had a pothole and our wheel bearing started making noise. Let me show y'all what this noise is over here. The infamous breaker. Oh, the one that likes to break stuff. So yeah, let's get into this video. My camera's a little short, so I'm gonna have to put y'all in a little spot where y'all can see at, but we're gonna get it right. Alright, so first thing you do obviously is take out the tire. Well, he needs rotors too. These rotors are kind of warped. So we're gonna take out the tires first, and then, I mean, you can do this multiple ways, but the first thing I'm gonna do is get my brake caliper off. And behind here, there are 2 screws. Let me see if I can get y'all back here. Ooh, better ankle position right there. You got this screw right here, 1, that up there, 2, and I think from looking at the camera, they look like they're about 16s. Put y'all back a little bit. Right there. We're gonna let it just hang back here for a while. Roller off. So there's a front cover. Sorry. There's a front cover that's on here, and it goes right there. Put a screwdriver in, pop it right off. This should be a 32. Just want to cut to the chase. There you go, guys. All of that work for nothing. Like, those bearings are moving around. Alright, so now that you guys seen how to take it off, I'm not going to sit here and explain step by step how to put it back on. This is a reverse process, so I'm just going to let you guys watch me as I put it back on. And it's going to be sped up a little bit. But I'm going to do it fast anyway, so let's get into that. Alright, y'all, so that's it. Simple, easy, done, baby. Simple, easy, done. Everything's back on, everything's tightened up. Sorry, just like the seats keep getting away. Only thing I didn't put back on was the tie rod because this one's busted and we getting ready to change it, so there's no point in putting that back on in this video. That would be kind of pointless, so I'm gonna wait until a tie rod's come and we're gonna do that. But anyways, that's going to be the end of this video. Nothing too hard, it's very simple. I kind of did go around a whole bunch of other steps. I was kind of doing the most. It's actually a lot easier than I made it seem. I just was doing the most, but yeah, for the most part, that's it. Anybody can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. If I can do it, he can do it. If he can do it, he can do it. We all can do it. So yeah, thank you all for watching. That's how you do a wheel bearing on a 06 Dodge Charger Hemi, and I'll see y'all on the next one.